Hi, it's Chef Rick and today I'm making baguettes.
Alright, here we are, super easy bread one. This is baguettes or French bread. The only thing that's kind of different to this than a normal loaf is the first thing you do here, and it's what you're making something called a poolish. So you use some strong white bread flour, yeast and warm water. Of course, all the instructions are down in the description below. You give that just a nice little mix around, and then we're going to leave this, we're going to cover it, and we're going to leave it in the fridge overnight. You can do it for about 3 hours, but just leave it overnight, get it in there. You don't have to worry about it. And the next day you'll come back to it. What you've done is, it's called retarding it. You know, you're allowed to say that when it comes to dough. So we add a little bit of salt. We add some of our normal plain white flour and some of the strong white bread flour and the rest of the packet of yeast, and then some warm water as well. Again, all the quantities are down in the description below. So you add each of those ingredients to the poolish, give everything a really good mix around. If you're not subscribed, by the way, please hit subscribe if you want to. I do 2 of these videos a week and it really helps if you do subscribe. If you don't want to, don't matter, don't worry about it. But yeah, if you don't ask, you don't get. Put some flour onto a work surface, and now we're going to roll this dough out. But I'm always conscious about like overworking this one, so just give it a little fold over, a little push down, just till it starts to get shiny and smooth. I always think that's the best way with bread. You never ever want to over knead something and make it kind of you know, tough or overworked. So yeah, I would just do that for around about 10 minutes or so, into a container with a clean tea towel on the top, or a piece of cling film, into a nice warm place. Again, we'll knock that out, and all we're really trying to do here is sort of form it into 3 loaves. You can see I'm not really like handling it too much, not handling it very well, as you might say. We're going to chop this dough up into 3 pieces. You can see here as well, of course, I'm doing it for home baking. You know, it doesn't really matter exactly what the quantities are here. Some of the strong white bread flour onto a baking sheet. And we're just going to roughly by hand make 3 baguettes or French breads, French sticks. You can see how small these are. Let them rise for about an hour. Then they're going to go into an oven at about 220 degrees. Give them a little scoring on the top. And see that water there? We're going to put that in the bottom of the oven in a little tray to allow some steam to flow. We're going to bake them for around about 20 minutes, and that's it. Baguettes, French sticks. You make sandwiches out of these, you dunk them in soup. Look at them, perfect, absolutely perfect. As easy as it comes. Yes, you've got to make the poolish overnight, but other than that, it's the easiest recipe ever. Really, really beautiful. Adding that water steaming in the oven just only makes them gives them a light crust to the outside, but makes the inside super springy. This is just a demo of what you can do with bread. Look at that ham sandwich. I know how to make even more exciting sandwiches, but look at that. A little bit of good quality butter and some good quality ham inside fresh bread. Probably the simplest sandwich in the whole world, but delicious. It's making my mouth water looking at it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.